So in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to make a cool little case like this, where you can't see what card's in there. Now, we'll need 2 of the same case and some type of glue. You can have a glue bottle or a glue stick. Now, we have 2 cards that are going to be going in. You could put like 1 to 2 or 3 cards, 3 might be a little too much. But the first thing we're going to do is get one of your cases and rip off this part. Don't rip off the back, rip off this part. And, oh, that's going weird. But while you're, and then the next step will be you have to, you'll have to glue. Now that we have this, so we have our other case, right? Now you can, I normally like to put the glue on this one. You want to, oh yeah, I gotta untwist this thing. There we go. You don't want to put too much, but at least put big dots in each corner. And I like to do the middle just to be safe. Because it's okay if it falls apart, you can still like add more glue. After you can take it off and then add more glue if it comes apart. But I still don't like to do that. Now that we have this, wait, I gotta turn that the other way. You have your other case and you gotta make sure it goes the right way. So there's the head. So put this on and then you try to line it up. And I'm going to move this over there out of the glue pile. And I'm gonna check on the other side. Oh, this side might want a napkin. Paper towel, so get out that glue. See what I mean? It's a very messy project. This is why you want cardboard or something under it. Now, you'll just have to wait for it to finish drying, the glue to dry, but after the glue dries, you'll have it.
2 hours later.
You see these cards? This is an odd card because it ends with an 8 and then that ends with a 5. But this is a rainbow Charizard GX and that rainbow rare, and then that one's a Charizard V. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure you don't put it on the blue side. So you like pull it open like that. You don't wanna do it pull it too open. Whoa. Why did that spring up? And then you'll put the corner in first. You can push it down. Then you got one in. And then you put in the other one. And then you got your cards in. Peace. That was today's video, but you'll see another video next week.